Okay, so today I'm planning some turmeric, one of my favorite spices. I use a whole lot of it. Uh, and I usually make shots, probably use you turmeric ginger shots with the pepper, of course. And sometimes I mix it with lemon, sometimes I mix it with pineapple, orange juice, just depends on whichever I want. And like I said, I use a lot of it. So what I'll do is I'll try to get organic turmeric from the store, and I'll try to get it from a place I know that has it for a while. So it hasn't been sprayed with the inhibitors, so the nodes are already starting to grow out. And I'll bring it home, put it in a plastic baggie, and let it sit for however long until I'm ready to do it. Sometimes with these here, I let them sit there for quite a while. That's why they have the long growth on them. And so sometimes I'll sit these in water overnight, just to kind of wake them up a little bit, and then I'm planting them today. So, like I said, I use it a lot for inflammation. It's really good for that, and they found in India where it's used a lot in their spices and curry and all those Indian type dishes. I also like to grow ginger right alongside my turmeric, of course in a separate container. So ginger is good for so many things. I mix it with my turmeric. Like I said, my turmeric ginger shots with the pepper. Uh, anytime, say for pregnancy or anytime anyone has an upset stomach and someone will say, let's, get some ginger ale. So it's good for really good treatment for nausea. It's good for digestion. It's good for circulation. Sometimes people will use it as a ginger tea. Any upset stomach. So same thing with the ginger. I like to, even if it's old and crinkly looking, that's fine for me. I just want to see the nodes on it, so that way I know it's not sprayed to inhibit the nodes from growing. And I'll do the same thing. I'll put it in a plastic bag or just sit it around and let the nodes grow out a little bit, and then I'll use that for planting. You can cover it up completely with soil, or you can just, if the nodes have grown out a bit, you can leave it. You can leave the part that's grown out sticking out a little bit, or you can just cover the whole thing. It'll pop out. And this is what we'll end up with. 3 beautiful turmeric plants here.